Succession occurring over a bare area which was not previously occupied by vegetation is called primary succession. Succession occurring on rocky surfaces, sandy layer, and in ponds and lakes are common examples of primary succession. However, when succession occurs over an area initially colonized by vegetation but destroyed due to some reason, it is called secondary succession. Succession taking place on abandoned farmland, strip mines, roadsides, and landfill areas represent secondary succession. Succession characterized by early and continued dominance by autotrophic organisms is called autotrophic succession. But when heterotrophic organisms are dominating, then it is referred to as heterotrophic succession. In succession, when organisms react with the environment and change it, causing their own replacement by new communities, it is called autogenic succession. However, when the replacement of existing community is caused by external conditions and not by the existing community, then it is called allogenic succession. The process of ecological succession involves the sequential stages called nudation, invasion, competition and reaction, and stabilization or climax. Nudation is the basic process of succession, and here formation of bare area takes place. There are many reasons responsible for bare area formation, like landslides, soil erosion, flooding, long and continuous drought, volcanic eruption, deposition, fire, and diseases. During invasion, plants and animals from surrounding areas reach the bare area, establish there, and aggregate by the way of reproduction. The seeds, spores, and other propagules of organisms reach the bare area by the agency of air, water, and animals, and the whole process is called migration or dispersal. Migrated plant species try to establish in a new area by the way of germination of seed, seedling growth, vegetative growth, flowering, and fruiting. Plant species that are successful in fruiting establish there, while unsuccessful species disappear. The successful establishment of species in bare areas is called as ascesis. Ascesis involves germination, growth, and reproduction. After successful establishment, species increase their number by reproduction, forming large populations, and this phenomenon is called aggregation.
When population increases in a limited bare area, struggle or competition for nutrients and space starts among them. This struggle may be inter or intra-species. Due to this struggle and other abiotic and biotic interactions, the environment starts getting modified gradually and becomes unsuitable for the existing species, which are sooner or later replaced by a new species. In the modified environmental condition, new communities of species enter the area and start competing with the previously existing species. Due to the new suitable species, the previously present species either becomes subdominant or are eliminated. The addition of organic matter, moisture and minerals by small plants in the area again makes it suitable for larger plant species. Increased availability of food materials allows carnivore animals and birds to join the community, and in this way various communities are developed successively, which is known as serial communities, till a final stable community is developed, which is called climax community. Ecologists are of the opinion that climax community is relatively more stable. The rate of succession changes is rapid or fast initially and gradually becomes slow. The process and early appearing species have a shorter life cycle, while the later species have a longer lifespan.